Hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 70, that is climbing stairs. But before that, I would like to tell that I have already recorded this video, but due to some issue I forgot to turn on my mic, so I'm re-recording this. Okay, so thank you for the sympathy. Yeah, and and this time I've checked that my mic is perfectly working and I try to give you a more clear way, more the learning from mistakes that I made in last time regarding this video. Okay, so let's start with the question, and the question says that we are to climb a staircase, and it takes in steps to reach the top. And in each step, what we can do, we can either pick up one stair, or we can pick up two stairs that we can like with say we can climb just one stair or we can climb two steps. Okay, and we have to retain on how many distinct ways we can reach the top. Okay, so let's say in the first test case we are given n is equal to 2, and the output is 2 because there are two ways to climb to the top. That is, we'll take one step each, or what we can do, we can directly take two steps. Okay, and in the next case what we are having n equal to 3. So there are three ways to climb to the top. That is, we'll be taking one step each for three times, or what we can do, we can just firstly climb one step, and in the second step we can climb two steps. Okay, so that's three. And the other option is we can firstly climb two steps, then we can take the one step. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll try to firstly solve this recursion. Okay, so what we have to check, that if our n becomes 0, that means we have climbed all the stairs. We have to return 1 in that case. Okay, and in let's say what we have to do, if my n becomes less than 0, that is not a valid staircase. So in that case I have to return 0. And let me just zoom in. Okay, so at the end what I have to do, I have to return all the number of possible ways from climbing stairs. Let's say this is a recursive function call. Okay, by if I just go pick up one step, plus what if I pick up two steps, climb stairs and minus 2. Okay, so if you run this, it will work for the first few test cases. Yeah, and if you'll submit it, it will give you a time limit exceeded error, because the recursion, there will be so many recursion calls. That just, yeah, and it gives you TLE. Okay, so what we can do to improve this TLE is we can use dynamic programming for this. So firstly, let me just cut this, control X. Let me just minimize this a little bit, and let's write a function. Let's say private int count total ways, that takes a parameter n, and it will also accept a DP array. Okay, and I'll create a DP. Okay, let's first create a DP array. Let's have a DP array of size n plus 1, because to make it one based indexing. Okay, and now what we'll do, arrays dot fill dp comma minus 1, and let's have a variable result. In that we'll be storing the result of the count total ways. It will take parameters as n and the DP array, and at the end what we'll do, we'll just simply return a result. Okay, so let's write this function. The recursion would be same. Let me just copy this. Just instead of this, what I have to do, I have to write this, and here I have to check one more condition, that if my DP of nth is not equal to minus 1, that means we have already calculated the paths. I have to return DP of n. Now let's run it. Okay, and minus 1 comma dp. Here also I'll pass the DP array and add some spacing. Okay, so now let's run it, and it works fine. Now let's just submit it. Okay, it still gives me TLE. Oh, I count. My bad. I have to write count total ways. I don't know how that works still. Okay, it's still giving me TLE. Count total ways and minus one. Oh, okay. I'm not storing the result anywhere. DP. And I guess it was, yeah, this was the array that I'm making. And let's just submit it. Yeah, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching. And I would like to give you a follow-up for this. Try this solving using tabulation method, or if you call it bottom up, that's both the same. Try to solve it. If you are not able to solve it, just let me know in the comments. I'll try to put up a tabulation video for this too. Okay, so this was it today. Thank you for watching.